Procore is a construction management platform used by contractors, owners, and project teams to manage documents, communication, workflows, and construction operations in one system. By the end, you'll know what Procore does, when it may be too much for a small contractor, and what factors to consider before adopting it. Procore is built for managing complex construction projects where many people need access to the same information. It brings tools for project communication, document management, scheduling, quality processes, and other construction workflows into one platform. The biggest question for a small contractor is not whether Procore has useful features. The question is whether those features match the size and complexity of the business. A contractor managing a few small projects may not need the same level of organization as a company handling large teams, multiple subcontractors, and detailed project coordination. One advantage of Procore is having project information in one place. Instead of searching through emails, spreadsheets, and separate systems, teams can organize important construction details through a dedicated platform. This becomes more valuable as projects become more complicated. More people involved in a project usually means more communication, more documents, and more opportunities for information to get missed. The challenge for smaller contractors is implementation. Construction software requires time to set up, train employees, and create consistent processes. Before choosing Procore, look at your current workflow. If your biggest problems are scattered documents, missed communication, or difficulty tracking project information, a construction management platform may help. If your business already handles projects smoothly with simpler tools, Procore may provide more features than you actually need. The right software depends on your company size, project complexity, and how many people need access to project information. A tool designed for large construction teams may not always be the best fit for a smaller operation. Procore is not automatically overkill for every small contractor. It depends on the type of work you do and the problems you are trying to solve. The main points are simple. Procore offers a wide range of construction management tools. Smaller contractors should compare those features against their actual needs, and the learning process only makes sense if the platform solves real workflow problems. Your next step is to write down the 3 biggest issues slowing down your projects and see whether Procore directly addresses them. If this helped you understand whether Procore is overkill for small contractors, like the video and subscribe for more practical software reviews.